Hello friends, in this very useful and interesting tutorial, we will learn how to remove bad stains and folds from any document. After all, documents are important for us. We should always keep them in good condition. So, let's open Photoshop and open the document you want to edit. If it opens vertically like this, go to Image Rotation and select 90° CCW to rotate it counterclockwise. If it has opened in the correct orientation, then there is no need to do this step. Zoom in so we can have a closer look at our document. Now my document has all sorts of stains and a good number of folds in it. These are looking really ugly and should be edited promptly. So watch carefully now and learn how we will go about removing all these imperfections. Go to Image, Adjustments, Levels and boost the left triangle to 47 value and the right one to 240 approximately. This increases the dark and bright values of the pixels in the document. Select the eyedropper tool from the toolbar on left side and select the background color of this document, which is white in my case. Click anywhere on the background and then using the brush tool with soft setting, carefully paint white color over the stains. If your document is of any other color, select the same color with the eyedropper tool and then paint over the stains and imperfections using the brush tool with the soft setting. Increase or decrease the size of the brush accordingly. If you happen to remove the lines, don't worry, we will recreate them as before. Keep removing the stains carefully. After it's done, go to Select, Color Range and select Fuzziness value to around 150. It may be a bit different if your document background color is something else. It has to be different from the color of the text to get good results. You will notice that Photoshop has selected all the white crumpled background and black text has not been touched by Photoshop. Right click inside the selection and select 2 as feather value. Now simply press delete and wow, our crumpled and messy background is gone. Duplicate this layer so that the black text gets more dark and vivid. And now fill white layer over it and adjust it like this. Drag it below the layer of the document. Now our messy and crumpled document is already starting to look much better than before. Using eraser tool, remove the tiny imperfections, if any, and marvel at your hard work and the results. To cover the gap caused by erasing the lines, We will copy the lines like I am doing and move the selected lines to cover the gap. Zoom in so that we can cover the gap precisely and align these properly with reference to the existing ones. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.